Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about exercise 3.4. Part 3. Already we have completed 2 parts. Okay, up to 9 sums we have completed. From 10th sum, today we will start. Okay, so question number 10. If x square plus 1 by x square x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 23, then find the value of x plus 1 by x and x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, so x square plus 1 by x square value is given, that is equal to 23. So from that we are going to find x plus 1 by x. Okay, so it is depending upon the squares. So we know that a plus b the whole square formula. Okay, so a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, in this you are going to substitute a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. Okay, a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. So what do you get? X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Okay, so x into 1 by x. We know that x square plus 1 by x square value is given, that is equal to 23. Okay, so this is equal to 23, then plus x 1 by x, it will be cancelled because it is in the multiplication. X and 1 by x, it will be cancelled, so you will get only 2. Okay, so 23 plus 2 you will get 25. Okay, so this is the value of x plus 1 by x whole square. Okay, but we need only x plus 1 by x square, no need. Okay, so that means what we have to do, you can take the square root. Okay, if you take the square root, the square will be cancelled. Okay, so this side also you can take root 25. Okay, so root 25 means what you get, x plus 1 by x, it will be square and root will be cancelled, so x plus 1 by x is equal to root 25 means it will be convert into root plus or minus 5. Root 25 is equal to plus or minus 5. Okay, so this is the value of x plus 1 by x. Okay, so next we want to find x cube next we want to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, so we know that the formula is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, 3ab into a plus b. In this you can choose a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. Okay, So what do you get? X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. Okay. So x plus 1 by x values already we found, that is plus or minus 5. Okay. So x into 1 by x, it will be cancelled. So what do you get here? X plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Okay. We have two subdivisions because x plus 1 by x is equal to plus 5 or minus 5. First I can take x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Okay. So what do you get? X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to plus 5. So 5 cube minus 3 into 5. Okay. So 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. You will get 125 minus 3 into 5, 15. Okay. So if you subtract 125 minus 15, you will get 110. Okay. This is the value for x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Then another subdivision. Another subdivision, x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 5. X plus 1 by x is equal to minus 5. So what do you get? X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to, in the same way, you can apply, you can take this is equation number 1. Okay, in this equation number 1 we are going to apply. Okay, so what do you get? Minus 5 whole cube, then minus 3 into minus 5. Okay, so already we know that if it is a negative number, if the power is odd, we will get the negative number. Okay, in negative number we have a even power, it will be converted into positive. Okay, so 3 is the odd number, so we will get the answer is negative. Okay, so what do you get? 5 minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, you will get minus 125. Okay, here also one minus, here also one minus, so minus into minus plus, so this is equal to 15. Okay, so what do you get? Minus 125 minus 125 plus 15 is equal to minus 110. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so for x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to, for first subdivision we get plus 110 and the second subdivision we will get minus 110. So the answer of x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to plus or minus 110. Okay, so your 10th question over. Then next we will start question number 11. Okay. The question is, if y minus 1 by y minus 1 by y whole cube is equal to 27, y minus 1 by y is equal to 27, then find the value of y cube minus 1 by y cube is equal to what? Okay, so y cube minus 1 by y cube is equal to 27. Okay, so from this, if you want to find the value of y minus 1 by y, okay, so we want to remove this power cube. Okay, so you can take cube root. Okay, so cube root means it will be, okay, cubic root of y minus 1 by y whole cube is equal to cubic root of 27. Okay, so cubic root and the power will be cancelled, so you will get y minus 1 by y. Okay, here cubic root of 27, that means we have to split this 27 into 3 equal terms. So that is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so for example you can split into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so cubic root means for each 3 terms you can take one term outside. So what you get? You will get 3. Okay, so this is the value of y minus 1 by y. So y minus 1 by y is equal to 3. From this we are going to find y cube minus 1 by y cube. Already we know that the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so here you can apply a is equal to y and b is equal to 1 by y. Okay, so if you apply, what you get? Y minus 1 by y whole cube plus 3 into y into 1 by y into y minus 1 by y. Okay, here y and 1 by y, these two terms will be cancelled. So what do you get? Y minus 1 by y whole cube plus 3 into y minus 1 by y. Already we found the value y minus 1 by y is equal to 3. Okay, here you can apply this value. So what do you get? 3 cube plus 3 into, again you will get 3. Okay, so 3 cube value is 3 cube value is 27. 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, then plus 3 into 3, 9. So what you get? If you add, you will get 36. This is the value of y cube minus 1 by y cube. Okay, so your 11th sum over. Okay, then next question number 12. Question number 12, simplify. It has two subdivisions. The first one is 2a plus 3b plus 4c into 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square minus 6ab minus 12bc minus 8ca. Okay, so in your textbook, page number 100, we have a formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, this is the formula. Now we are going to compare this formula right hand side. Okay, so here what is the form? See, just you can check. This is the form of x plus y plus z. So x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 3b and z is equal to 4c. Okay, so if you apply x square, what do you get? 2a whole square. Okay, so just I can compare this. Okay, so I can write 2a plus 3b plus 4c plus 4c into 4a square. 4a square means I can write 2a whole square. Okay, because here x square. Okay, so x square means I can write here x is equal to 2a. Okay, here x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 3b y is equal to 3b and z is equal to 4c. Okay, so plus 9b square. How can you split this? 3b whole square plus then z 4c whole square minus here x is equal to 2a. So 2a 2a into 3b then minus y z. So y z is equal to 3b into 4c then minus z x, that is 4c into 2a. Okay, so just see your question. So it will be splitted into in this format. Okay, so therefore we can it is in the form of this equation. Okay, so we can take the left hand side. Okay, so this is equal to what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So here x is equal to 2a. So x is equal to 2a. So 2a whole cube plus then y is equal to 3b. So 3b whole cube then plus z is equal to 4c. So 4c whole cube minus 3 into x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 3b and z is equal to 4c. Okay, so we can take it as this is 2a whole cube, that means 2 cube into a cube. 2 cube is 8. So 8a cube plus 3b whole cube. 3b means 3 cube into b cube, that is 27b cube plus 4 cube means 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, 64c cube. 64c cube minus 3 2s are 6. First you can multiply the numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 18 into 4 you will get 72. So 72 A, B, C. Okay. So from the formula we can get the left hand side. Okay. It is in the form of x plus y plus z and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So we can convert into the left side, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, so we will get the answer this one. Okay, then second subdivision the same way. Okay, what is given? X minus 2y plus 3z into x square plus 4y square plus 9z square plus 2xy plus 6yz minus 3zx. Okay. So this is also same method. Okay. So here x is equal to x. Okay. In this formula x is equal to x and y is equal to minus 2y. Okay. Then z is equal to 3z. Okay. The same formula we are going to use. So that is equal to our question equal to, here you can write the question. Question is equal to what you get? The same formula x cube. So x cube, here x is equal to x. So no need to change anything. X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay. If you want we can write the formula here. Okay. What is that? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so in this formula we have a same pattern. Okay, so we are going to apply. So here x is equal to x and y is equal to 2y and z is equal to 3z. Okay, so that is equal to, our question is equal to, we can apply x cube plus y is equal to 2y. So 2y whole cube, sorry, here y is equal to minus 2y. So minus 2y whole cube plus 3z whole cube, then minus 3 into x is equal to x and y is equal to minus 2y and z is equal to 3z. Okay, z is equal to 3z. Okay, so you can apply, it is equal to x cube, here minus 2y, already I told you it is the power odd number, so we can get the negative number. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, you will get minus 8 y cube plus 27 z cube. Okay, here already we have a minus, then here also minus, so minus into minus plus. Okay, you can multiply the numbers. What do you get? 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, 18 x y z. Okay, so that's all. Your 12th sum over. Okay, so next one, question number 13. Question number 13. By using identity, evaluate the following. So we can use the identity. Okay, so the same identity we are going to use. Okay, so what is that? First one, 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. Okay, in your textbook we have a note, page number 100. Okay, in this we will get a formula. If x plus y plus z, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Already we know that the formula, the identity is x cube. See, the same identity we are going to use, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, if this part x plus y plus z is equal to 0 means this whole part will be 0. Okay, so that means what you get, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal minus 3xyz is equal to 0. Okay, so listen. So listen, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus is congruent to, okay, similar to, this is the identity symbol. Okay, so that is equal to, we can use x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, how we will get the answer means, see listen, in this x plus y plus z is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So 0 into any term you will get what? It is equal to 0. So what do you get here? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z is equal to 0. If the term x plus y plus z is equal to 0, the right hand side fully will be 0. So what do you get? This minus 3xy z, it moves to right hand side. So what do you get? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay. From this we are getting this result. Okay. So we are going to use this result in this problem. Okay. So question is 7 cube minus 10 cube 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. Okay. So that means here x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 10 and z is equal to 3. Okay. If you add, what do you get? X plus y plus z is equal to, what do you get? 7 minus 10 plus 3. Okay. So if this is equal to 7 plus 3, 10, 10 minus 10, you will get 0. So we can use this identity. Okay. Because x plus y plus z is equal to 0 means we can use this condition. So now we are, now we can use this identity. Okay. So what is that? X cube. The question is 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. Okay. So we can use directly the formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. That means 3 into abc. Here x, y, z. Okay. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 10 and z is equal to 3. Okay. See, we are using this identity. If x plus y plus z, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, we can use this identity. So already we checked x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So we can use this identity. So 3 into 7 into minus 10 into 3. Okay. So if you multiply, you will get 3 sevens are 21, 21 into 3, 36, 36 into 10, 360. So minus 360. Okay. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0 means we can use the identity. Otherwise we can't use. Okay. Then second subdivision. Second subdivision, 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 by 8. Okay. We can convert into this term because we use the identity a cube. So we can change these numbers in the form of cube. Okay. So 1 cube is 1. So no problem. We can take it as 1 cube. Then plus 1 by 8. So you can take it as 1 by 2 whole cube. Because 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Okay. So 1 by 2 whole cube. Then minus 27 is equal to 3 cube. So 3 by 2 whole cube. Okay. So that is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 by 2 and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. So what do you get? X plus y plus z value we are going to check. Okay. So that means 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. We know that 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, then minus 3 by 2, we will get 0. Okay. So here x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Okay. So we can use this identity. What identity? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay. So here, what is that? X is equal to 1. So that means 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 by 8. Okay. That is equal to, you know that 1 cube plus 1 by 2 cube plus minus 3 by 2 whole cube, that is equal to 3 into 3 into x is 1. So 1 into 1 by 2 into then minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. So minus 9. 2 into 2 you will get 4. So the answer is minus 9 by 4. Okay. Then the last sum. Question number 14. Okay. Question number 14. If 2x if 2x minus 3y minus 4z equal to 0. Okay, 2x minus 3y minus 4z equal to 0. Then find, what we want to find? 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 64z cube. Okay, it is also the same identity we are going to use, but the previous one they said using identity evaluate the following, but here not using that. Okay, so we can use this. We know that the formula, what is that? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so we are going to use this identity. Okay, so here we want to find x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay, so this minus 3xyz no need. Okay, so you can take it as right hand side, so it will be negative, means it's convert into positive. Okay, so therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to x plus y plus z into the same answers, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Then this 3xyz moves to right hand side, so it will be converted into positive. So plus 3xyz. Okay, so what we want to find actually? 8x cube minus 27y 8x cube 27y cube minus 64 z cube. Okay, so this is can be written as, it's a cube, no? So 8x cube means 8 is converted into 2 cube. Okay, so 2x whole cube. Then here we have a minus 27. Here we have a minus 27, so you can take it as plus minus 3y whole cube. Then this also you can take it as negative, plus minus 4y whole cube. Okay, so here x is equal to 2x and y is equal to, here x is equal to 2x and y is equal to minus 3y and z is equal to here 4z, here minus 4z. Okay, minus 4z. So we can apply. What do you get? that is equal to, here the formula x plus y plus z. So 2x minus 3y minus 4z into 2x whole square plus minus 3y whole square plus minus 4z whole square, then minus 2x into 3 minus 3y because xy, okay, 2x into minus 3y, then minus 3y into minus 4z, then minus 4z into 2x, okay, the second terms over, then 3x 3 plus 3xyz, so plus 3 into x is equal to 2x and y is equal to minus 3y and z is equal to minus 4z, okay. So we know that the given value is 2x plus minus 3y minus 4z. This value will be 0. So 0 into multiply of any value, you will get 0. So these two terms, the 0 into this terms, okay. 0 into multiply of this term, you will get 0, okay. So no need to find the values, okay. So plus 0 plus 3 into this value only you are going to find, okay. So you can multiply the numbers. Here we have a 2 minus, so minus into minus plus, okay. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 4 you will get 72. So the answer is 72 x y z, okay. So the answer is 8x cube minus 27 y cube minus 64 z cube is equal to 72 x y z, okay. So your exercise 3.4 over, okay. Thank you students.